Hello, children. Let us learn about wind, storms, and cyclones. Air has certain characteristics. It exerts pressure, expands and rises on heating, travels from a region of high pressure to the region of low pressure. Winds are caused due to uneven heating of the Earth's surface. Wind blows and leaves behind a low pressure area. It can cause a lift, and strong winds can take away roofs with it. Storms are caused by a sudden drop in pressure in an area. Storms associated with rain, thunder, and lightning are called thunderstorms. They are caused by swift movement of hot air upward. Cyclones are strong winds spiraling inward and upward. The center of a cyclone is a calm region called eye of the storm. Cyclones are called hurricanes in the western Atlantic and eastern Pacific, and typhoons in the western Pacific. Tornadoes are a rotating column of air extending from the surface of the earth to a thunder cloud. Weather satellites can give a cyclone warning 24 hours in advance.